how to make a high and narrow building out of paper. We are making the one on the right side of the screen. You may pause this instructional slide. Fold your paper in half 4 times to create 16 rectangles. While you are folding, really take your time and make sure that you press firmly on all of your fold lines and take care to match up the corners each time. Next, you're going to go ahead and reverse all of your folds, the 3 long horizontal ones and the 3 shorter vertical ones. Reversing your folds means that you should fold the paper both directions so that it easily folds later when you are constructing your building. Fold your paper in half, hamburger style. It should open in front of you like a laptop computer. Using a pencil or marker and a ruler, mark lines as seen in the video here. Very important that the lines touch where the folds intersect. Use a ruler to create straight corner lines to mark the spots that you need to cut off. When you are cutting, make sure that you go all the way to the intersection of the next fold line, and the triangles in the corners will actually fall completely off. Open your paper and flip it over so any pencil lines or marker lines are in the inside of your building. You're going to bring the 2 top edges together to one singular point. If you overlap them too much, you're going to end up with an extremely narrow building. Taking care to take off any excess glue, and then I like to press it down from the inside also. Same thing again, you're putting glue on kind of the outside and inside of these flaps here, crisscrossing them until you come to a point at the bottom and holding to make sure you are secure. Next up, you take the 2 larger flaps, adding glue on the pointy part and the inside and outside of these almost like door flaps, and again holding inside and outside to make sure that you are creating a firm wall, and then doing the exact same thing on the reverse side. Glue inside, outside, glue on the pointy part, go ahead and overlap, taking care that it is straight at the bottom of the building so that everything stands nice.